Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on the privacy password in your Oppo mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You'll have to do is go to setting in your Oppo mobile phone. Okay guys, here in settings, scroll down and find the fingerprint, face, and password. So okay, click this. And okay guys, here in fingerprint, face, and password. So okay, you can see the privacy password is off. And okay guys, to turn on this, you'll have to do is click privacy password. And okay guys, here in privacy management, okay, you can see the turn on privacy passwords. Okay, click the turn on privacy password. And okay guys, we have to enter the privacy or to set the privacy password. So okay guys, after that, verify the new password. And okay guys, we have to set security question. So okay, what is the name of one of your teachers? Okay guys, if you change it, click this and you can see the option. So what is your mother's name, what is your father's name, what is the name of your high school, and what is the name of your favorite restaurant. So okay guys, I select what is the name of your high school. So okay guys, then enter here the answer. After you enter the answer, click the done on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on the privacy password. Okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.